Well, yeah, here we go. Graphic Nature. I've never listened to this band before. Ever. So, let's see if they're any good. Spooky. I'm feeling like they might go Alpha Wolfy vibes. Alpha Wolf style. You do have the glass to go with it. True. Oh! It's heavy as fuck. I'm definitely getting Alpha Wolf vibes. Definitely. I'm fucking sick of them acting like they understand. They don't know what it's like. They don't know what it's like. Spend a day locked in my mind. Shackles and all. You spend one night and then you witness the fall. I'm fucking sick of this. Actually, no. You know what? It's kind of sad to say it because of what happened. But Lotus Eater, they sound very Lotus Eater. That band that were around a little while ago, they meant to release an album, then some shit went down, and now they completely been deleted off the fucking face of the earth. But they give me very Lotus Eater vibes. I just hope these guys aren't fucked up. But yeah, let's continue. It's fucking sounding good. It sounded very good. Oh. I can't fully remember, but I can talk about it. This is heavy as fuck, man. I'm liking it. It's good shit. Very good shit. Eerie, creepy, in some points. Oh, bro. The quick cuts. Woo! Oh, the room closed. Where's the band gone? Shit. Yeah, she does think you good job. Yeah, that was sick. That was really good.